Welcome to the channel. I'm your boy Tone Setter. Thanks for tapping in. Today we're getting into something a little different but very real. With all this talk about AI taking over jobs, it's got people asking, can AI replace barbers? Let's talk about it. Let's keep it 100. AI is doing some crazy stuff right now. It's writing essays, diagnosing diseases, making beats, and even 3D printing food. So yeah, it's fair to wonder if one day a robot could line you up. But do you really want Siri hitting your taper? Here's what AI can't do. Feel the texture of the hair, read your vibe when you sit down, understand your confidence level, help you through a breakup, and build relationships. Cutting hair isn't just a technical skill. It's about trust, vibe, emotional awareness, and artistry. I don't just cut hair, I connect. A perfect fade isn't just math. It's feel. Every hair shape is different. Every texture moves its own way. The way I adjust my wrist, angle the blade, and check how your hair lays after a brush. That's instinct and can't be coded. A robot might give you symmetry, but it can't give you swagger. Now, don't get it twisted. AI can help barbers for sure. Better booking systems, hair pattern analysis, style simulation apps, and business automation. I'm all for it. Use the tech, but don't get replaced by it. AI might write your caption, manage your schedule, maybe even recommend a style one day. But when it comes to the cut, the connection, and confidence boost, that's human, that's heart, and that's barbering. Drop a comment. Would you let a robot cut your hair? I know I wouldn't. Respect the craft, respect the culture. Subscribe for more barber talk. See you in the next video.